Hello everyone, welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the new segment in English, Life in USA. In this segment, we will be uploading all the videos related to the US culture, the different aspects of USA and so many other interesting things. So in this behalf, we are going to see about the US currencies and coins, how it looks like and its values. In India, we have rupees like notes and coins. Since we are in USA, we thought of showing you some of the currencies or bills which will be available and which is in the use in USA, that is the United States. Starting from $100 bills till the small coins called cents. So we thought of showing you each and everything in detail and its money value which is equivalent to India and some other countries. So we have taken some of the examples of some of the nearest countries too. You will get some idea if you have a glance about it. So, in our today's video, we are going to see the USA dollars and the coins, what are all the different dollars available and what are its values in different countries and their names, and about the different coins and its actual value with comparison.
Let's see the dollars, and that is the different currencies and its value in different country as well as for India. So in that, the first I'm going to show is the $1 currency. In the $1 currency, the picture is about the Washington, and here you can see all the symbols and all the other details which I have mentioned in this. And this is the back side of the $1 American currency. Let's see its values. So here I have taken the today's value, that is March 13, 2021. According to this date, let's see what are the values for each and every currency. So here I have just taken the 5 different currency values which is based on the different countries. If you are taking this $1, that is the $1 of US $1, the value of Indian rupee is 72.69 paisa, that is 72 rupees and 69 paisa. $1 is equal to 72 rupees and 69 paisa based on the Indian value. And in case of the pound or euro, its value is like 0.84, that is less than $1. So compared to US dollar, the pound or euro is less. Likewise, Japanese yen. So for $1 as like 72.69 for Indian rupee, the Japanese yen is 108, that is 108.98. This is the value for Japanese yen, which is equivalent to $1. And the another example is Iraqi dinar. So for $1 US dollar, the Iraqi dinar value is 1462.50, and this is what the value for the different countries and the different currency values. Just for an example, I have taken these things. And if you are taking the dollars, the names like dollars or rupee or euro or pound, yen or dinar, these will be followed by the different countries and their values also will be getting differed. That's why everywhere it will be mentioned clearly, like US dollars, Indian rupees, like Iraqi dinar, Japanese yen. So each and every country, that is different country, will follow the same currency names. That is, if it, in case of yen, that will be followed by some different countries. In case of dinar, so many countries will follow the name called dinar. Even the rupees will also the currency name which will be used in different countries. So this is what the value for March 13, 2021's value for US dollar and the other countries and its value. And 1 Indian rupee is equal to 0.014 US dollar. So here we have compared in this angle, that is for $1 it is 72.69 cents. In opposite, if you want to tell like for 1 rupee what is the US value, it means this is 0.014 US dollar, that is very less compared to the US dollar. So this is $1. And let me show you some of the other currencies which is available in hand with us. Like the different currencies using in US is 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1. If you're taking in India, like 2000 is there, 100, 500, 50, 20, 10, 5, so many currencies are there. Like previously we have 5, 2 and 1, now it is not there in existence. So instead we have introduced with some of the coins as for the value which is equivalent to 1, 2 and 5 and all. And in case of US currencies, they are following only these 7 varieties of currencies like 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1. This is the $100. Hope you can see this by visibly. Franklin's face was mentioned in this dollar. and the back side $100, and its value for Indian money is 7,269. So this $100 bill is equivalent to Indian value of rupees 7,269 rupees. And if you are taking the other bills like 50, if you are able to find the 50 and 2, so these two we didn't have in hand now, and I'll show you in some other video. And the other one is $20. So this $20 is with the name of Jackson, and here you can calculate this $20 into like the 72.69 rupees, that Indian value. And the next is $10. So this is $10. So the image is with Hamilton. And the next currency is 5. Abraham Lincoln's image is in the $5 bill, the front page of the bill, and the back page of $5. So here you can see the values in each and every currency. So they used to mention in the back side with the small letters, like for 10 they have mentioned something like this, and for 5 05, and 2 is not in hand. And the final one is the $1, which I have shown you in the beginning. So this is the $1 currency. So this looks different compared to the other dollars I'm telling about the back side. And the best part about this currencies is all the currency will be like in the same size. If you are taking the 1, 5 and the 2 is not there, 1, 5, 10, then 20 and 100, in the middle 50 is there. So if you are taking the currencies, all will be in the same size. Our country, we could see the differences in size of each and every currency, and here everything is same. It look very similar in size of all the currencies, like 100 to $1. I'll show you again. $1, 5, this is 10, 20 and 100. I'll show 50 and 2 in some other video. And now we are going to see the coins which is using in the United States. So this coins, that value will be called as the cents. The symbol of US dollar is this one, like S. So hope you all know about this. And this is the Indian rupee as a symbol. So this is the symbol for dollar, and likewise for coins, and this is so called as cents. It's like C, and they'll make it like this. So here they have a current coins like 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 1. So the name of each and every currency and its value is mentioned here. The first is penny, that is 1 cent. 1 cent is equivalent to the value of $0.01. That is like in India how we are telling that paisas, which is less than 1 rupee, will be like 50 paisa, 20 paisa. We used to call it as paisa. So here they used to call it as cent. So 1 cent in singular, that is cent. This is the coin of cent. So this is called as penny. So this will looks like a copper one. And just like in Indian coins, the heads will be looking different in different coins, and some will be similar. And this is what 1 cent. So you can calculate the value of 1 cent. And the next is 5 cent. That is 5 cents, which is the value of $0.05, and this is called as nickel. The other side. And the third is dime. So this is called as dime, so which is the value of 10 cents. So $0.10, and this is called as dime. And this coin will looks very smaller compared to the other coin. So this is 1 dime, and its value is equal to 10 cents. Like 10 paisa. 10 paisa coin like India. And the fourth is the quarter dollar, that is like 25 cents, and this is what the coin of 25 cents. That is quarter dollar. They used to mention it like quarter dollars. And for half dollar and dollar we couldn't find anywhere, even we didn't seen anywhere as of now. If we able to find any of these coins, let us show in the other video with the 50 and $2 notes, that is the currency. So hope you got some idea about the US dollars and currencies and its value compared to our country, that is compared to India and the other countries.
If you are seeing our channel Strategy Sangamam for the first time, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Don't forget to check the all button. And also visit our another channel Shakti's Knowledge Hub, which is fully for education, personality development and career development. We are posting the videos in English and Tamil. Please visit the channel if you like, and if it is interested and useful for you, do subscribe and share to others. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.